Today I want to show you how to make this really sweet flower. You can decide what color center you want. So this to me looks like a daisy. So let's get started. Happy folding. So the first step in making this really fun flower is you're going to go ahead and make the stem. So go ahead and take either a book page or a sheet music or a magazine page, whatever you have, and you're going to go ahead and roll it. So you're going to go from one corner headed towards and don't forget to take out whatever you're using to roll, otherwise it'll be stuck in there. And you roll, keeping even tension, and you're going to go ahead and make something that looks very much like a straw. Then you can go ahead and either use glue gun or white glue, whatever you have, and then just hold that for a second, and that will be the stem of your flower. As you can see, you just hold it for a second like that. And then your next step is you're going to go ahead and make the middle part of your flower. This one's pink, this one's going to be yellow. You can use colored paper, cardstock, whatever you have. And what you're going to do is you're just going to go ahead and make as small as you can cuts into it, making sure that you don't cut all the way through. While I'm doing this would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel to keep these fun tutorials coming out every Sunday. And if you wouldn't mind below, tell me what you would use to decorate this with so that we can share ideas with everyone. I was thinking so far gift toppers. I was thinking you could also use it, you could make an ornament out of it. You could use it to decorate the end of a pen or a pencil. I'd love to hear what your ideas are. I think I might be using it to decorate one of my beautiful book folded creations. So cut. It's a little tricky at the end, so I just kind of spin it around so I'm not really cutting into myself. And that's going to be the center of your flower. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and roll it. Again, you could go ahead and use glue right there. I like this double-sided tape. I think it's a lot easier to work with. But if you don't have it, white glue works just fine. And what am I going to do is I'm going to go ahead and wrap it around the stem I created. So I'm just gonna roll. And then to create the outside of your flower right here, you're gonna go ahead and take another book page. And you're gonna fold it in half. And then you're going to cut. So very much like what you did before, but you just fold it in half first. And again, you can see I'm just cutting. And what's fun about this is that you can decide what kind of paper you want to use. So if you use music paper, it's going to look quite different. You can use old maps. That really gives a fun look. Comic book pages are really fun. I've seen that. Magazines will give you a burst of color as well. So it's really fun that you can take this one idea and make so many different things with it. So cut. And you can see this project comes together really fast, which is nice. Again, I'm just going to flip that around just so it's a little bit easier to get those last few cuts in. Again, now what you're going to do is unfold it and flip it around like so. So you're going to get that double sided tape again. Mine is made by Elmer's. It's called a tape runner. Very, very easy to work with. And then just fold that around. It's really nice because you don't have to wait for it to dry or anything. And then I'm going to add more on the outside. And then I'm going to continue wrapping it around the flower. Look at what a beautiful flower you have. All from upcycled paper, from the stem to the center to the outside. Super fun. So this one's in yellow. I did one in pink. And then I also tried doing one without a center. And I really just didn't like it. I feel like it just needs that little pop of color in the middle. But again, it's all preferences. Whatever you like.